Hello. I've got an easy lesson for you guys today. Basically, we're just going to be talking about comments. So, comments are little notes that you can put in your code to help you and other programmers understand what's going on in your code. So, first, what do comments look like? I'll just paste one in here. And if you see this pound sign, that says I'm going to start a comment. So now what happens is Python ignores everything to the right of this pound sign. It says, or Python says, hey, I know there's going to be some English here. This is in code, so I don't need to read it. So it just skips this line. Similarly, you can put a comment here, and it doesn't invalidate this line or anything because the comment is to the right of the pound sign. So now we can run this just to make sure everything works the way we think it does. And you can see, hello YouTube, I'm Kyle Wilson, enjoy. So these lines print out just like normal, but we don't see anything about the comments because Python just skips over that. So one other cool thing about comments is, let's say I wanted to take this line of code out for a while, but I wanted to add it in later, or I might want to add it later. I could just delete the line and then retype it, but I really hate retyping things. So if I just comment it out, I can run this. And now I'm Kyle Wilson does not print out, but if I wanted to print out later, I can simply remove that pound sign, run the code again, and now it's back. So you might be thinking, this doesn't seem very useful. I don't really know when I'd use this. So just to help clear things up, I'm going to pull up an old project I have. So let's say I haven't touched this program in weeks. Like, scrolling through here, there's a lot of code. I don't want to spend hours and hours figuring out everything that I did before. Like, that would just take me forever. But if you'll notice, I have these comments in here. For example, if you find a blank line in the title block and go to the next line, is a lot easier and quicker to understand than reading this loop and then reading these 6-ish lines of code. So it's just a way for you to quickly identify what's happening in the following lines of code. So when you come back or when someone else is reading your code, they can understand it more easily and quicker. So, good time saver. It's a really good habit to get into, is commenting your lines of code. Thanks for watching.